This is the statute in Arizona. This is 13-3620, duty to report abuse, physical injury, neglect, and denial or deprivation of medical or surgical care of nourishment of minors, medical records, exceptions, violation, classification, definitions. So instead of a member of the clergy, I say a Mormon bishop or stake president. A Mormon bishop or stake president who has received a confidential communication or a confession in that person's role as bishop or stake president in the course of the discipline enjoined by the LDS Church, and I put belongs there, it shouldn't be there, may withhold reporting of the communication or confession if the bishop or stake president determines that it is reasonable and necessary within the concepts of the LDS Church. So I went through that exercise to hopefully make it really, really clear to you that under Arizona law, the bishop had the authority to call the police immediately and not violate the law. And if he had done so, he would have protected that one daughter from 7 more years of atrocious, horrific abuse at the hands of her father and the little baby that was born thereafter into the family. It would have, let's say that you're a trained lifeguard. You can swim miles and everything. You train to save people. You're not on duty one day. You're walking along the side of a lake, enjoying the weather. You look out in the middle of the lake. There's a little girl who's out there. She's screaming. She's thrashing. She's drowning. She's crying for somebody to save her. And you know that it's a lifeguard. You could jump right in, swim out there and save her. No questions asked. You have the power. You have the ability. But you, as the lifeguard, can you imagine just turning your head and keep walking and letting that girl drown? That's what the church did here. What this shows to me is that when the church has a choice to make between protecting a child sex abuser of the worst kind and protecting the victim of the child sex abuse, the church will protect the child sex abuser. The church will protect the child molester. The church will not protect the victims of the molestation and of the abuse. And this is why I'm so livid right now.